Good morning, you guys. Here we are in my kitchen, and I just received a new product and I'm putting it together this morning and gonna give it a trial run. This is the box it comes in. It's a triangle head mop. And I want you to get a good look at the box. This is the mop head itself. It's got a microfiber pad that velcros right onto the mop head. Super absorbent, and it's machine washable, which is really nice. Sometimes I use a Swiffer in my house. Well, once you use those, you throw them away. I like that this is a little bit more green in being able to reuse many multiple times. So we're gonna put this together. It comes with 3 connecting pipes. I like this is out of a metal and not plastic. I think it's gonna be a lot sturdier, more durable, very easy to assemble. So just these 3 pieces that come together to attach to that mop head. Oh, I didn't show you attaching it. Simple screw-in design to attach that mop head. Now this little locking mechanism is how we get the mop to clean and get reloaded with clean water. And I'll show you that in a minute. This product also comes with 2 more reusable mop heads. So 3 heads all together, very nice. Comes with 3 filters. The filters will be replaced in this little hole right here, but nice to get extra filters. And then a very detailed description of the product itself, how you use it, and then an explanation on how it actually takes clean water from the bottom, infuses it into your mop, and then deposits dirty water into this reservoir. Really nice, neat product. The next thing I'm gonna show you, there is a maximum water fill line. So it does not take a lot of water. It's gonna be easy to carry, it's not heavy, and you fill it just to that max line or less if you need to, and then you are able to take it where you need it to go. I'm gonna show you this mop in action. Stick around. Okay, I put clean water into my reservoir. The mop head has a connection here, and it's gonna go right on this gray piece. And when it spins, it's going to be infused with water, and the brush head is going to be cleaned off. So you're gonna stick that on there, and then you're gonna unlock this little piece, and you're gonna give this a pump. So it's taking off dirty water and dropping it in the reservoir, and it's actually cleaning this mop head every time it goes around. So simple connection, and next clip I'm gonna show you this mop in action. Hang on. One other feature on this mop is the telescoping handle. So that's kind of nice for taller people to use. So I've got this mop head on. As you can see, it's got a 360-degree rotating head. This shape enables good cleaning into corners, which is really nice. It enables me to go under furniture without having to get on my hands and knees. I'm using it on my ceramic tile, and then I can transition right to my wood floors. Very nice mop, easy to use, saves on my hands and knees because that's how I usually clean the kitchen floor, or all my floors. It works on engineered hardwood, regular wood, laminate, vinyl, ceramic tile. And I love that the dirty water is separated from the clean. Very nice product, easy to use. And I think it would be a great addition for your kitchen. Stick around, we're gonna wrap this up. Okay, you guys, thanks for taking the time to come and check out this mop with me today. I'm gonna get to work cleaning the rest of my hardwood and ceramic floors, and I'll see you next time. If you're interested in purchasing this really nice spin triangle head mop, you can find it at Amazon.com.